Welcome to the world of internet. Luckily, they all survived and lived to tell the tale. This eagle was looking for food, when surprisingly a tortoise wanted to start a fight. This footage was captured by a photographer off the coast of Ecuador. This lady is 72 years old and probably a lot stronger than most people at my gym. This is called a resurrection plant. It curls up when dry and then comes back to life when watered. This is the ultimate table tennis table. It shows you all of the statistics for each game. A person made a stop-motion video game with just a notepad and a pencil. I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.